So I've had a problem with my LG Blu-ray home cinema, the BH7430, but I'm guessing people might have a similar problem to mine because it's the same LG software. For most of this year, for some bizarre reason, I actually think the Wi-Fi in this has packed in. So I mean, I'm cabled in anyway, so I've got a cable going into that box, but I kept getting a flashing Wi-Fi, a grey Wi-Fi symbol in the corner. I just couldn't get rid of it. I even got in touch with LG's tech support, and they told me to turn it off at the wall, factory reset it as well, which you can through the settings. It basically didn't solve it, and I just couldn't figure what the problem was. I had a slight feeling it might have been something to do with this Virgin Media Wi-Fi booster, which I installed in the other room, but it's close to the home theatre, the Blu-ray box. But even when I disconnected that still didn't solve the problem. So the other day, and I really didn't want to do this, I disconnected the actual Blu-ray player. I didn't want to do it because you can see one of the cables there. There's actually 6 speakers, surround sound speakers connected to that, and I thought, oh, it's a lot of work. Anyway, I disconnected all the speakers, I've got PlayStation 4 going into it, a Switch going into it as well, disconnected all that, basically obviously unplugged it from the wall, took the entire Blu-ray player out, took it into the other room where the router is. I thought I'll set it up close to the actual router just to see it can pick the Wi-Fi up, but it turned out the Wi-Fi in this, I think, is broke. Anyway, took it in the other room, set it up, did a factory reset on it, and since then it's worked. I basically brought it back in here, connected it all back up, connected all the speakers up, and the little flashy Wi-Fi symbol in the corner is not flashing on and off grey, and the actual, I mean, the other problem I actually had with it was now and again it'd actually freeze and it kind of like reboot, which was weird, but it's solved it. So this is quite a long how-to, but if you're using an LG with this software on it, best thing to do, just disconnect everything, just take it all out from where it is, and really go and set it up in a different room and do a factory reset and see what happens. It's solved it for me. I've been using this now for a few days and everything seems fine, so there we go, it's all working. Hope it helps if you're having the same problem.